So, well on the way to Wales, halfway through the journey. Come on, darling! We need to travel. Did you wipe? Oh, he never washed his hands. Just letting everyone know.
That you're back in the sail, mate?
Oh, yes.
Me got to jail.
That we're halfway there, that's all. Speed rambling on tour. Great start. Welcome to England, man.
Didn't know we left.
Not lost at all. Welcome to Wales.
Yeah, we're not turning around again to do it.
We got our passports. That's cheap.
Excuse me, do you know where the Bothy is? Excuse me. Oh, the serious side's got a lovely arse. Oh.
Actually, can feel like Colin McRae.
What, dead?
Is he dead?
Yeah.
Oh.
What, show you?
No.
What, dry ourselves out before we
So there's a break. Oh yeah, that's the car back there, yeah.
Beanie, where's the footpath? Looks big on the telly.
No cars, that's a good thing. So finally arrived, the car park. Waiting for slow coach, as always. So finally arrived where we're parking up. God knows, after 5 hours driving. Waiting for slow coach here, man. A little bit colder on the Lugolls, but not too bad at present. Now for another hour hike somewhere on that route there. See how we get on. Keep you updated. Start the walk. GPS signal direction.
Is it light on?
I don't know why that keeps coming up. Find us a bothy. Is that your rape whistle? You promised you'd leave it at home.
We've been lost for 2 days now, without food, without condoms. Horrendous.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. A thing of beauty.
And this is where David Attenborough was born.
Wait for me, darling. Get the hot tub on. Tonight we're going dipping.
This is where Red Riding Hood used to live.
Who's that in the window?
Hi, son. Oh shit.
Oh, the smell there, man.
I like it. I like it a lot. Oh shit. Was that meant to go out? Now I'm out. Take a box and all in it.
Oh, get that lit and get some food on. It's weird how you've watched videos and that.
Yeah, then you meet the guy in real life.
Oh, home!
Oh, he's right, he did eat the porridge.
Literally just wrapped, isn't it?
What's this? Oh, who's this? Lift that up. Lift the bag for shite up. Wow, Toyota.
Who carried all that up? I brought my own.
Must be the mountain Bothy people. Chair as well. I'm here for a little barbecue area, haven't I?
Oh, mate. Oh, mate, what are you doing?
Am I on your video? Come on, I guess that flares.
Lost light. At 5 o'clock. Fire on.
6 o'clock, man.
No, I'm saying we lost light about 5 though, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah, because when you go for a shoot, it's pretty dark.
See that. Tell us not too bad actually. Actually, it's going to be toasty over that. Third attempt at marshmallows, absolute amateur. Should have really found a twig instead of a metal knife.
Let's hope it doesn't catch fire again like your second one.
Now the first one still looks alright in all fairness. Oh, it's toasty that. Nothing better than that. So it's 25 to 1. We've decided to call it a night.
What a night it's been.
It has been. It's been a good night. Can't even see if I've got you there. Oh yes, I can see.
I'm the caterpillar. Good night.
Time to go to bed.
Together.
In the morning. Nice brekkie. See what it's like. Can't wait for the views. Good night. Yeah. I'm trying to find a way right. Oh yeah. You turn your camera. 20 to 10. Just woke up. Usually he's relit the fire. Nice to wake up to a nice hot cup of tea. Overall wasn't too bad actually. cheeky movie during the night on the tablet. Cold this morning, like, isn't it? Like, it just generally in the air.
Yeah, a wind chill.
Yeah, but overall, I slept spot on, mainly.
So I can run till about 5 and then obviously I got a couple of hours in.
Sleeping bag in the roll mat. See, doing things on a budget.
Yeah.
This is on a budget, mate.
No,
Top brands, man.
Our kit's cool, man.
Yeah, actually, it's good. This.
Class off.
Now time for a brew. Have a look at the views outside. I can see the sheep herding, man.
Cooked do make a bit anything.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, still got reminiscence of that mine too. Yeah, on kits as well. I didn't play mine out last night though. When you slowed down. Our first was warm up, like, there's never one point that I got cold.
I think I might be overcompensating, you know, I put too much on speed work.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I woke up, what was that, my roll mat was Sunday. Oh, I was on the top half of it, but it like went
You
wonky.
feel you've gone off your mind sometimes, is that? Just try and do more like keep stopping recording and starting, so you've got like, rather than 5 minutes of video, you've got like 3 couple of minute videos, don't have to edit. Ready?
Let's see what we woke up to. Should start get warming. Local sheep. Can't really complain about waking up to that, can you? Can't really complain to waking up.
Yeah, you complain to waking up to.
Natural stream coming down for water. That is a picture in itself, just that man.
This is the lavvy.
Yeah. Imagine that. 5 stars all around that, man. £12, finally leaving. That's nice and tidy, obviously. Now time to hike back to the car. 5-hour journey back. Glad I'm not driving. Don't tell you that. Might have a nap. Ready, Uzi? Yeah. Let's hike!